Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fill up the ArriveCAN app entry when you come to Canada as a sponsored spouse. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have made these videos earlier as well. Why I'm making it again is because there have been changes in the app. So that is why I'm showing it to you. So after you download the app and you register for it, once your flight details are ready, you click on entry by air. So this is the first change that you see, that it straight away asks about mandatory travel requirements, where it says that individual 5 years of age or older are required to have and provide proof of a molecular COVID-19 test prior to boarding a flight to Canada, with limited exceptions. Unless exempt, individual must have a suitable quarantine plan for 14 days starting on the day they enter Canada. Unless exempt, individuals will be required to take a molecular COVID-19 test on arrival. Unless exempt, individual must stay at a Government of Canada approved hotel for first few nights. You must pre-book and prepay for a 3-night hotel reservation. This can be reduced if your test result arrives negative, but it's hard to get a refund. In fact, as per the helpline page, refund is not allowed, but still a generous hotel can give you some, but don't assume anything. Click on I acknowledge. Have you or any traveler listed in this submission tested positive for COVID-19 on a sample collected between 14 and 90 days before your scheduled departure? So if you select yes, you have more exemptions, like certain things you are not supposed to do, as you can see on your screen. If no, then again it tells you like what you have to do. And once you click on acknowledge, this is what it comes. Is your travel exempt? So for a sponsored spouse, no. Then it asks which of these categories you qualify for. So family reunification, a foreign national who intends to enter Canada to be with an immediate family member who is a Canadian citizen or PR and can demonstrate to intend to stay for a period of 15 days, at least 15 days. So when you are a sponsored spouse, you are a spouse of either a Canadian citizen or PR, because citizens and PRs only allowed to sponsor their spouses. So, and like when you immigrate, you stay for like long. So the first condition is met. Click on next. Airport. Let's say at this moment only 4 airports are allowed to uh, handle international traffic in Canada. So that is why I selected Toronto Pearson, because this is one of those airports. So I'm selecting just sample AC043 because this is the direct flight between New Delhi and Toronto, and it comes around 5:30 a.m. every day. Register your travel document. So here you're going to register your travel documents. Next you're going to put your contact information, and it also asks you to put the booking number of your hotel reservation and also address where you're going to do the rest of the quarantine, and then a sample quarantine questionnaire. I mean COVID-19 questionnaire. I'm not going to go through those steps again because I have already shown you. Instead, I'm going to include the link in the description that you can watch and get through it. So thanks for watching, guys.